Hi, my name is Eduardo Alcina and I'm an account representative at Amazon. In this video, I'm going to go through how to finish the registration process of your selling account. Particularly, I'm going to focus on the bank and credit card statements that you will be required to upload. We will first cover why you need to provide these additional documents. We will then explain how to submit the bank and credit card statements correctly. And finally, we will go through some frequently asked questions. In accordance with EU regulation, Amazon Payments Europe requires sellers to provide information about themselves and their business so that they can begin to sell on Amazon and receive the proceeds of all their sales. This means that Amazon may require to verify the information you provide during the account registration process. We might request specific information such as personal identification documents, business licenses, or bank statements as proof of ownership. You will receive notifications when these verifications are needed. It is important that you make sure the information you provide matches exactly your legal documents. Also ensure that you are not covering any part of your ID or uploaded documents. The additional document that we request can either be a bank statement or credit card statement, and it should belong to the company or person that is being registered. This is how a bank account statement should look like, and this is how a credit card statement should look like. Although these are just examples, and we will now go into the concrete requirements that these documents need to have in order to be accepted. Firstly, please note that you may only upload a bank, loan, or savings account statement with transactions activity that belongs to the company or person registering the account. That is, an extract of the transactions for a set period of time. Alternatively, you can also upload a credit card statement with transaction activity. We cannot accept any other type of document, for example, a bank letter, an account information page, or the picture of a credit card. If the bank account is in the name of the business, then the bank account name on the document must be the same as the legal name of your business. However, if you have a sole proprietorship, that is, you are the only owner of the company, then the bank account name on the document has to be the name of the sole proprietor. The additional document that you provide must match the name of the business or point of contact that you have provided during registration. The bank logo, bank account number, and business name or name of the point of contact must be clearly visible. It must show transaction activity, although you can cover the individual transactions. When doing so, you should only cover individual numbers. If you cover larger areas or the whole transaction section, the document will be marked as illegible. The document cannot be a screenshot. Please download the statement as a PDF, scan a physical copy of the statement, or take a photo of a physical copy of the statement. Also note that the document you upload must be dated within 180 days from the date that you are uploading it. The approved languages that you can upload documents in are Polish, English, Swedish, Dutch, Chinese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, or Spanish. If you have to upload a document in any other language, you will need to attach an authorized translation into one of these languages. Now let's go through some frequently asked questions. What should you do if you can't find a bank or credit card statement which matches all the requirements? All banks should be able to provide an acceptable bank account statement. If you are unable to extract the statement yourself from the bank's website, please contact your bank and ask to be sent a physical copy of a regular bank statement with transactions. What constitutes a bank statement or credit card statement? The bank, loans or savings or credit card statements should be an extract of the transactions for a set period of time for that account or credit card. Letters from the bank staff or account information pages or certifications and any other documents do not qualify as bank statements. Are there any alternative documents that you can upload yourself instead of these statements? No, unfortunately no. The only types of documents that we can accept are bank statements and credit card statements. Uploading any other kind of document such as pictures or certifications or letters from the bank will not be approved. Why is your bank statement or credit card statement being rejected as a screenshot even though you have downloaded it as PDF or printed it? This can be caused by a number of reasons, in particular the presence of digital elements on the extract. An example of digital elements are drop-down menus or buttons or calendars that may appear in the PDF or printed version. If you cannot download or print an extract without things that resemble digital elements, what we recommend you do is that you order a statement in a physical format from your bank and that you take a photo or scan it. If you're not able to extract a bank statement or credit card statement in any of the approved languages, what should you do? If this is the case, you will have the option to submit a notarized translation of the document in one of the supported languages. Notarized means that you will have to get the signature on a document attested to by a notary. Thank you for listening. Please check all the other tutorials that we have prepared to help you through your registration process to start selling on Amazon.